Hello everyone! Today we're making a burlap cross.
Hey, Mom!
This is a fast and easy craft that almost anyone can make. The supplies that you're going to need are scrolling across the top of the screen. I'm using an 8x10 picture frame for this. Here I'm removing the glass and the paper. We're not going to need that. I'm painting a cross charm that I had. That's going to be the center of my burlap cross heart. I also paint the back of the picture frame. And you're going to see it looks kind of dodgy, but I have a plan for this, okay? But I did want it to be yellow as well. Also, don't forget to paint the frame. I painted mine white or cream colored. So this is why I did this project. I've had this material for a little bit and I just think it's so gorgeous, and I just had a vision of yellow with this. So don't be surprised if you see this material again in the future. So here I'm just cutting out a little bit larger than the back of the frame. So I usually add about an inch, so about 9 by 11 piece of material is what you'll need to cover it. And like I said, the paint I'm covering with the material, so you'll just see the yellow coming through the green, and it'll be beautiful. I'm hot gluing it to the back of the picture frame as neatly as I possibly can. So I'm folding it. Be careful, don't burn yourself, especially if you're using material with holes in it like I was. If you enjoy the crafts that we make, we try to make them accessible so anyone can do them. But if you like what we're doing, feel free to hit the subscribe button for more crafts from HeyMaaa. And don't forget to ring that bell icon. That way you won't miss a single craft. Alright, so I've glued all of the material to the back, and here's how it looks with the white frame. I'm just going to put it in the back of the white frame with the clips. Come on, tell me that doesn't look great. Hit the like button if you think it's looking good. Alright, so I had cream burlap that I'm using. I'm just cutting it a little bit bigger. You want to give yourself a little bit of slack so that you can make the cross later. I also had green burlap or seafoam green burlap. That's going to be in the center of the cross. So the burlap has to be glued, hot glued to the back of the picture frame first. And then I'm just going to use the string to tie it in the center to make the horizontal arm of the cross. I usually try to use string that matches whatever project I'm doing, so if it does peek out from behind, it doesn't look too crazy. Alright, so now the top. Again, this was cut a little bit larger than the picture frame so that there would be a little bit of slack to tie the center for the cross shape. Had to make sure that I got the green burlap glued down just as tight as the green one. Alright, this is where it all starts really coming together. And I usually fold the burlap how I want it to look. So you see me doing that here, so that when I tie the knot, it looks really nice. Look at that. Perfect. So the only thing left to do was to glue my center cross charm, and I had these Seafoam pearl beads that I glued to the center charm as well as the background. And with that, it's done. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you give this easy craft a try. If you do, share it with us on social media. We'd love to see it. Take care and God bless. Bye.